Wanted to do a video on insulin regulation of release. For insulin regulation of release, it's going to be done mainly in the pancreas through beta cells that respond to differing levels of glucose within the blood. Under high blood glucose levels of over 100 milligrams per deciliter, larger amounts of glucose are going to be brought in to the beta cell. As more glucose is brought into the beta cell, it is going to excite the mitochondria to create more ATP. That ATP will interact with a potassium channel, keeping potassium inside the cell and causing depolarization of the membrane, which is going to then open a voltage-gated calcium channel. The voltage-gated calcium channel will cause the exocytosis of insulin into the blood. The opposite will occur when there's low levels of glucose. Then the potassium channel stays open, potassium leaves, and no exocytosis of insulin will occur. Amino acids will cause a similar effect in releasing insulin, but just a little bit slower. Then we have the gastrointestinal hormones. They're going to immediately increase the amount of insulin by 50% through two hormones, your glucagon-like peptides and your gastric inhibitory peptides. These are called incretins and respond to nutrients entering the small intestine and will change the levels accordingly. Then the autonomic nervous system, through either the parasympathetic or sympathetic nervous systems, parasympathetic will increase insulin and the sympathetic will decrease insulin. And that's your insulin regulation of release.